Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna and crackers. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 can of tuna, about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and your favorite crackers. Also, grab a small bowl and a fork. Optional items like a 1/4 cup of chopped celery or a teaspoon of relish can add extra flavor. This simple meal is perfect for a quick snack or light lunch, taking only a few minutes to prepare. Now, let's prepare the tuna. Take your can opener and carefully open 1 standard 5-ounce can of tuna. It's important to drain all the liquid from the tuna to ensure your mixture isn't too wet. Once drained, transfer the tuna into your mixing bowl. Use your fork to gently flake the tuna apart. This helps it mix evenly with the other ingredients and creates a better texture for spreading. Next, it's time to mix your tuna salad. Add about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to the flaked tuna. Stir everything together thoroughly with your fork until the tuna is evenly coated and creamy. Now, season with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper to your liking. If you're adding optional ingredients, like 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery or a teaspoon of relish, mix them in now for extra crunch and flavor. Finally, let's serve up your delicious creation. Arrange your favorite crackers on a plate. You can use about 10 to 12 crackers for 1 can of tuna. Spoon a generous amount of the tuna mixture onto each cracker. This simple, satisfying snack is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect for a quick bite, a light lunch, or even an easy appetizer. Enjoy your freshly made tuna and crackers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.